Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making a blueberry pie. Now, do you ever just crave that sweet taste of summer? Well, in my opinion, nothing screams summer more than a homemade blueberry pie. And with this recipe, you'll be able to have that flavor all year long. So, let's get started. Alright, so let's get started making the pie crust. In either a large food processor or a bowl, we want to add in 2.5 cups worth of all-purpose flour with 4 tablespoons worth of granulated white sugar, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and pulse these ingredients together until they're well combined, or you can use a whisk and mix them as well. We're going to add 1 cup's worth of unsalted butter that is ice cold into the bowl, and using a pastry cutter you want to chop up the butter into small pea-sized pieces amongst the rest of the ingredients. If you're using a food processor, you want to pulse this a couple times until the butter becomes this size. At this point you want to drizzle in ice water. For this recipe you're going to need about 4 to 6 tablespoons worth of it into the mix while pulsing it or stirring it until a dough forms. You want to place the dough onto a working surface and gently knead it into a disc. You want to cut the dough into about a 60-40 split. The 60% cut will be used for the base of our pie. The 40% cut will be used for the top. You want to wrap both discs of dough in plastic wrap and refrigerate these for 30 minutes. While those are chilling, we want to prepare the filling for our pie. Separately, you want to preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 218 degrees Celsius. You want to have your oven rack placed on the lower third portion of the oven as well. Blueberry pies tend to leak, so place a large baking sheet on the bottom rack to catch any falling juices. So in a large bowl, we want to add in the star of our dish, 3 to 4 cups worth of fresh blueberries that have been picked over. You want to always pick the best ones. 2/3 cups worth of granulated white sugar, 1/4 cups worth of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons worth of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 tablespoons worth of lemon juice or the juice of half a lemon, as well as 1 teaspoon of lemon zest or the zest of 1 lemon. Mixing those ingredients together until the mix is no longer dry. You may burst a few blueberries during this mixing process, but you want to make sure you don't overmix it. So now on to creating our pie. On the floured surface, using a lightly floured rolling pin, you want to roll out the 60% dough disc into a 12-inch diameter disc. We're also going to spray a 9-inch pan with non-stick spray or butter. I'm using a tart pan for this dish, but feel free to use any traditional pie pan as well. To place the disc into a 9-inch pie or tart pan, you want to gently roll the disc onto your rolling pin and then gently unroll it on top of the pan. You want to press the dough into the pan and then fold and crimp the edges of the dough with either your fingers or a fork. We're also going to roll out the 40% portion of our dough into a 12-inch diameter as well on a lightly floured working surface using a lightly floured rolling pin. Here you can create either 1.5-inch wide lattices or create your own cutouts like I'm doing in this recipe for the topping. Just be creative. Now you want to pour your blueberry filling into the pie. You want to add in thin slices or cube pieces of unsalted butter. For this part, you only need about 1 tablespoon's worth. And now you want to place either your lattices or your cutouts on top of the filling with spaces on top to allow the steam from the pie to escape. And in a small bowl, you want to mix together 1 large egg with 1 tablespoon's worth of milk to create an egg wash. You want to brush the top of your pie crust with this egg wash. You also want to follow that with sprinkling on some coarse sugar. I like using raw sugar for this. And you want to place it in the oven and bake this for 25 minutes initially at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 218 degrees Celsius. Then you want to reduce the oven temperature to 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. And you want to wrap aluminum around the edges of the pie crust to prevent them from over browning. You want to bake this for another 45 minutes or so, or until the filling is bubbling. You want to remove it from the oven at this point and allow the pie to cool for about 4 hours prior to slicing this and serving. Congrats, you've made a blueberry pie right at home. It's always really important to allow the pie to cool so the filling can set, or else it'll spill out when you cut it. So never skip that step. But as you can see, this creates a beautiful pie. It tastes amazing from top to bottom. I can't wait for you guys to try this. And when you do, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your... As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 4, Enhancing Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon. I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make a blueberry pie. And if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to click the subscribe button too so you don't miss out on another recipe. And feel free to share this video with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I show you another great dessert recipe, my brownie bites. They are a great go-to snack I really hope you guys all try out. Well, thanks again for watching. I truly do appreciate it. You can always check out more videos on my page now. YouTube thinks you like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.